Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Please remain standing. Francis, lead the prayer.
Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here, ever this day be at my side, to light and guard, to rule and guide. Amen.
Before you sit down, please arrange your chair. Pick the truss under it. If you done, be seated. Class, is everyone present today?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Before we discuss our topic today, let's have short review. Who remember our last topic? Yes, Bea?
It is about energy.
Very good. It's about energy. Again, what is the definition of energy? Yes, Christian?
Energy is the ability to do works.
Very good. According to last topic, what is the four type of energy? Yes, Jamaica?
Heat, light, sound, and electricity.
Very good. Give me 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, before I dive a new topic today, let's have a game. That's what we call 4 picks 1 word. I will show you a picture and you need to guess what is being described. Are you ready?
Yes.
First picture. What is this?
A wheel.
Very good. Second picture. What is this?
A slide.
Very good. Third picture. What is this?
A knife.
Very good. Fourth picture. What is this?
Screw.
Very good. Fifth picture. What is this?
A well.
Very good. And last picture. What is this?
A scissor.
Very good. To widen your idea, what is our topic today? Let's have activity again. Fix the scramble letter. I will six students who will fix the scramble. Understand?
Yes. 3.
For number 1, who want the answer? Yes, CJ? Very good. Everybody, please read.
Screw.
Next, who want answer number 2? Yes, Mark? Very good. Everyone, please read.
Lever.
Next, who want answer number 3? Yes, Leah? Very good. Everybody, please read.
Inclined planes.
Next, who want answer number 4? Yes, Katrina? Very good. Everyone, please read.
Wedge.
Next, who want answer number 5? Yes, Valerie? Very good. Everyone, please read.
Pulley.
Next, who Who wants answer number 6? Yes, Mika? Very good. Everyone, please read.
Wheel and axle.
What have you noticed in our activity? Yes, Mark?
The words that fix is not familiar to us.
Thank you, Mark. I understand. Now, to have knowledge about this, let's discuss it. Valerie, can you read?
Simple machine is any device with few or no moving parts that are used to modify motion and the magnitude of a force in order to perform work.
The scissor, slide, screw, knife, bicycle is an example of simple machine. Simple machine are devices that we use to make our work easily. This machine is the first invention of the Greek philosopher Archimedes. Let's discuss what is the lever. Genevieve, can you read?
Lever is a simple machine made of a rigid beam and a fulcrum.
Example of lever, seesaw, nail, cutter, lais, and hammer. Next, let's discuss wheel and axle. Justin, can you read?
Wheel and axle, a simple machine that consists of a wheel and an axle that rotate together.
Example of wheel and axle, doorknob, car wheel, bicycle, or Ferris wheel. The wheel part is a wider object that is fixed to the axle and where force is applied. The axle part is the thin rod to needs to be returned. Next discussion, inclined planes. Lara, please read.
Inclined planes is a simple machine consisting a sloping surface used for raising heavy bodies.
The example of inclined planes, ramp, stair, roof, and hills, and escalator. This simple machine is easy to use, move object from the higher to lower, no less effort. Next discussion, what is wedge? Joanna, please read.
Wedge, a simple tool with a thick end and a thin edge that is used to separate, split, lift, or hold objects in place.
The example of wedge is the axe, blade, and knife, etc. The purpose of this simple machine to easily to cut things to place. Next, let's discuss screw. What is screw? Yes, Ayana, please read.
Screw, a fastener that is used to join objects together, typically made of metal and with a helical ridge called a thread.
The example of screw is screwdriver, bolts, and corkscrew, pop jars. This simple machine is to use fasten the object together. And the last, what is pulley? Mika, please read.
Pulley contains a wheel that holds a flexible rope, chain, cord, or belt and can either move or turn objects.
This simple machine example is flagpole, elevator, and four-wheel. These simple machines are used to transmit energy and motion. Again, class, what is our topic being discussed today?
Simple machine.
Very good. Again, what is simple machine?
Simple machine is any device with few or no moving parts that are used to modify motion and the magnitude of a force in order to perform work.
Very good. Can you enumerate of 6 types of simple machine? Sige nga, Blessing.
Lever, wheel and axle, screw, pulley, inclined planes, and wedge.
Very good. Again, what is lever?
Lever is a simple machine made of rigid beam and a fulcrum.
Very good. Can you give example of lever?
Scissor,
Very good. How about screw?
screw, a fastener that is used to join objects together, typically made of metal and with a helical ridge called a thread.
Very good. Can you give example of screw?
Bolts and screwdriver.
Very good. How about wheel and axle?
Wheel and axle is a simple machine that consists of a wheel and an axle that rotate together.
Very good. Can you give example of wheel and axle?
A bicycle.
Very good. How about inclined planes?
Inclined planes is a simple machine consisting of a sloping surface used for raising heavy bodies.
Very good. Can you give example of inclined planes?
A ramp.
How about wedge? What is wedge?
Wedge, a simple tool with a thick end and a thin edge that is used to separate, split, lift, or hold objects in place.
Very good. Can you give example of wedge?
Axe and knife.
How about pulley?
Pulley contains a wheel that holds a flexible rope, chain, cord, or belt and can either move or turn objects.
Can you give example of pulley?
Elevator and flagpole.
Very good. Now, I will regroup 6 groups. Can you draw of example of simple machine? Example, lever, pulley, inclined planes, or etc. Understood?
Yes.
You have 10 minutes. You now start. Very good. Now we will have a short quiz. Direction. Choose the letter of correct answer. We have 10 minutes to answer this. Start now. Class, are you done?
Yes.
Please pass your paper. For your assignment, choose one simple machine and bring up example real object. For example, axe, and explain why you choose it. Copy it in your notebook. Are you done, class?
Yes.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.